Hey guys, Eitan, and welcome to this episode of Extreme Kitchen. Today, as you can see, I'm in the middle of a hotel room and I'm about to cook a whole dinner in the microwave. Extreme Kitchens takes ordinary locations and turns them into extraordinary kitchens. Whether in my car, in the middle of a supermarket, or in the halls of my school, every location is turned into a kitchen like never seen before. Because if I can make it here, here, or here, then you can make it at home no matter how unconventional your kitchen is. All right, let's get started with our mac and cheese. Right over here I have a bowl, and to that I'm gonna add in our elbow macaroni. And obviously, as always, the amounts are in the description box down below. And I'm going to add in our water. And basically what we're gonna do is we're literally going to boil this pasta, but in the microwave. So let's pop open the microwave, get that in there, and I'm gonna cook it for about a minute and a half, then stir a minute and a half and stir until it is fully cooked. All right, let's go. And 1, 3, 0, and start. All right, it is now done. Let's pop it out. All right, our water is super hot. You can see there's some steam there. All I'm gonna do is mix that a bit, and I'm actually gonna now give this like about 3 minutes in there to really boil and fully cook the pasta. Three, 2, 1. Bam! Stopped it before the timer went off. That's always fun. All right, now let's take it out of here. Oh God, that is really hot. Okay, I'm just gonna move it up front. There's still some water in there, so I'm just gonna stir that around. I'm gonna give that another about 2 minutes. All right, that I think should be ready. All right, there we go. Now we have some cooked pasta, literally that easy. Now to this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm also gonna add in 2 tablespoons of milk. All right, while that butter is melting, I'm now gonna add in half a cup of Munster cheese and half a cup of cheddar cheese. You know, we're not doing a basic mac and cheese here. I know it might be in a microwave, but we're making some bougie, delicious mac and cheese. Now that is fully mixed together, let's pop it back into the microwave and cook that for about 30 seconds to a minute. And there we go. That should be good. All right, let me carefully take this out because it is super hot. And let's bring this around. And look at that cheesy goodness in here of this mac and cheese. Now, is this the fanciest mac and cheese ever? No. Is it probably the best mac and cheese ever? No. But we made it in a freaking hotel room in a microwave. So, I mean, look at that. You have like that cheesy stringiness on there. That looks pretty good to me. Now let's just, all right, let's give it a try. Wow, it is seriously incredible that you are literally able to make mac and cheese in your microwave. Now, you don't have to be at a hotel to do this. Literally right now, you can get up if you have these ingredients in your house and just make it in your microwave. But I will finish this, but before I do, we're making dessert. Yes, we are. You know I couldn't just do mac and cheese. Got a mug right over here. I'm gonna add in some butter into there and let's melt it because it's time to make a mug cookie. Get that going for 20 seconds. All right, let's take this out. Now, I know you're probably looking around me right now and you're like, Eitan, what is this hotel room that you're in currently? I mean, the pictures are like asymmetrical. The bed sheets look like they probably haven't gotten new ones since like the, I don't even know what time period. That's how old. And the lamps are weirdly not in the middle. Guys, this was a $70 hotel room. We are bougie on a budget, you guys know. So this was like 70 bucks. All right, next up, let's add in some brown sugar and white sugar into our mug and mix that up. And it's kind of basically just like making regular old cookies. You know, you melt, you have your butter and your sugar. Go, now I got that all mixed up. Now to this, we're also gonna add in 1 egg yolk and quickly, oh, let's get, come on. Bam, I knew he could do it, all right. And let's mix that egg yolk into there as well. Now we're going to add in our flour very carefully into there. And I'm also going to add in a pinch of salt. Now, I just realized I don't have any baking powder or baking soda on me. You probably should put that in this, but in the actual written recipe, I'll put the correct amount of that. So let's just, we're going to do it without. It should still be delicious. So let's just mix this now all together. All right, there we go. We got this cookie dough right over here. And, oh God, just spilled a little bit on the floor. And now, to that, I'm also going to add in some mini chocolate chips, because why not? That actually looks like a lot. I'm going to save some of these. We can put them on top and mix that together. And there you go. As you can see, we have, this literally just looks like regular old chocolate chip dough. So let's now pop this into here and let's bake it for about 75 seconds or a minute and 15. And stopped it at 1. All right, let's hope this came out well. We shall see. All right, I think that looks fully cooked. I mean, it's definitely going to be not like your crunchy cookie. As you can see in there, we have, it's kind of like a cookie. It's cookie in a hotel room, however good that could be. All right, let's dig in. Let's scoop out a little bit. All right, that actually kind of looks like, that could pass for basically almost kind of a cookie. Let's give it a try. Hot. Tastes like a cookie. All right, now, is that the world's best cookie? Definitely not. Is it the world's worst cookie? Definitely not. It is somewhere in between. I mean, I feel like for inside of a freaking hotel room, it's a pretty good cookie. There you go. That is how you can make mac and cheese and a cookie for dinner in your hotel room. Now, I do have to give a disclaimer. I don't know if your hotel, or this hotel even, would want you doing that. That's just a disclaimer, but it's something you physically can do, and you can even do at home. Right now, if you're like, I'm kind of craving a snack, go in your kitchen. All you need is a mug, all you need is a bowl. You can make some mac and cheese. You can make a cookie. It is literally that easy. There you go. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Extreme Kitchen. Stay tuned every Monday, January through February, for new episodes. If you guys enjoyed this, comment down below what is the strangest thing you've made in your microwave. I would love to hear, and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and hit that big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, and click it to be the first to know when I post new videos. All right, if you won't mind me, I think I'm just gonna lounge on the bed and have some dinner while I watch TV.